No! I'm gonna crash into McDonald's. No, 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 no!
Dora, oh my freaking god. How dare you crash into McDonald's? You're not even old enough to drive and now the car in McDonald's is on fire. You will be grounded forever once we get home. You are a bad girl. Before you go to your room, we are going to watch the news to see if we are on the news.
Two bullhose! Jeffy is trying to bullhose in this car. He's gonna help me do it. Woo!
What, Jeffy, what was that noise?
Oh no, Junior, just keep singing. Jeffy is trying to bullhose.
I think you hit something.
No, I didn't, Junior. Just keep singing. Jeffy is trying to bullhose.
Jesus Christ. What do we got, Simmons?
Looks like a hit and run, mate.
Ah, hit it and quit it, just like I used to do in college. So how's the victim?
He was airlifted to the ICU. He's in
Rosie, sit down right now. Oh my God. Oh no.
Oh my God, Kalo.
No, not Caillou. My favorite son is dead. Rosie, how dare you make the car crash and kill my favorite son? That's it. You are grounded for 5, 7, 4, 5, 8, 9, 7, 3, 5, 8, 2, 5, 9, 3, 3, 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 7, 1, 9, 0 seconds. We are walking home now.